In this video, let's talk about it is safe to run wheel spacers for Tesla Model 3. Let's go. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. They are effective when your wheel offset is not ideal for the final effect that you want. The special design of this BONOSS active cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of active cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first active cooling technique. This video can help you. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.